Okay, we are in Paris at the Prince de Galles Hotel. This is the Mosaic Suite. It's a 1-bedroom suite with king bed. Over here you have your living room. Pretty spacious living room. You have your table, you have a couch over here. You have a TV. You have 2 windows over here too, which overlook a terrace where there's a restaurant downstairs. So you have a little view. It's a very nice hotel. Over here you have a bathroom, kind of like a guest bathroom, I guess you could say. Very nice marble floors, very nice fixtures. Everything looks upgraded. Over here you have your mini bar. You have your coffees and your teas. And on down here you have your refrigerator with all your refreshments. Walk down the hallway right here and you have your bedroom. Very nice king size bed right there. Very comfortable bed. On this side you have your desk where you can do your work while you're on vacation, or if you're here for work, there's your desk to do your work at. You have a flat screen TV in the bedroom. Over there you have 2 nightstands, one on that side, one on that side. And again, you have a window on this side overlooking the restaurant down there. And you walk this way. You have a very spacious closet. This closet can hold a lot of stuff in it. It has a lot of nice shelving. Storage over there. Storage over there with your robes. You have your ironing board. And you walk this way and you have the master bathroom. Again, very nice marble floors. Very nice countertops. The finishes are very nice, guys. You have your bathtub over here. You have your toilet room over here. And over here you have your shower with your rainforest shower head at the top. You have the other shower with the handle over there. And very nice tiling in the showers too, guys. It's a very nice, very nice hotel room. It has unique features. Brings a little bit of classical elegance feel. And yeah, so again, this is the Mosaic Suite at the Prince de Galles Hotel in Paris. Nice, spacious 1-bedroom suite. Enough for 4 people if you need it to be. And yep, that concludes the tour.